Now you can create your own developed course using ChatGPT in less than 10 minutes. Yes, you heard me right. This is actually possible with the power of AI right now. And if you know that how to use ChatGPT and other AI tools effectively and accurately. So in this video, I'm going to show you live that how you can use ChatGPT to generate your 10 module course on any topic of the world and how you can sell it on the platforms which are designed by AI as well. But before starting up this video, make sure to like this video and subscribe to this channel because every Tuesday and Friday, we try to bring up content which can help you to grow and elevate your skills as well as contribute to your success journey. So let's get started. Okay, so first things first, I need to tell you a very important thing before starting up this tutorial. On whatever topic you are going to launch up a course or you are taking help from ChatGPT to generate a course on a particular topic, it will be my advice that you should be having some or the other knowledge about that particular topic. For example, if you are generating a course on AI, ChatGPT for example, so I will advise you and suggest you that you should be having enough knowledge about ChatGPT and AI so that when you will create the course or when you will give prompts to AI, that is ChatGPT, to generate your course, you can identify the points of improvement in that particular module and you can enhance it, you can improvise it accordingly. So let's quickly go to my screen. So first you have to log in into ChatGPT and you have to give a prompt like this. For example, generate a course, generate a 10 module course on how to use ChatGPT effectively. Now what you need to do is you have to copy one of the modules and give the prompt again to ChatGPT to elaborate each and every section of this particular module so that you have a concise and detailed course to offer to the audience. So as you can see, it has given me a detailed content about my first module, that is brief introduction about ChatGPT. Now for example, I have to copy this into a professional PPT. So I'll visit to Gamma.ai, which is an AI tool and you can use it for free, and you can click on copy the text and convert it into a professional PPT as you can see. And now you can select the themes and the template of the PPT and paste and then generate the content, and here you go. You have your PPT here which you can download, and now it's the time you can visit udemy.com, and as you can see, Udemy is famous for its online courses. As you can see, many of the people have already posted and published their courses for $4.99, $5.99, $6.99 for example. You can do the same. Now there is the last part of this tutorial. So let's come to the marketing and sales part of this particular process. Now you have your course published on Udemy. Now you can use Meta ads and Instagram ads, even Google ads to promote your courses and get leads to enroll in your course, and you will earn money, right? Obviously it won't happen in just one day. It will take at least 1 week, 2 weeks, 3 weeks. But in a span of time, you will see results for your course which you have posted right now, and you will easily start earning money passively. So if you found this video valuable, do consider subscribing to this channel, because on this channel we try to bring up valuable videos like this for you so that we can help you to skill up and contribute to your success journey. So that's all from my side guys. Thank you so much. We'll meet in the next video. Till then, bye bye, thank you, and let's grow together.